Hi guys, you're welcome to today's class, still on physics. Today we'll be solving problems on friction. We won't really be talking about friction in theory and what benefits of frictions are and all the rest of that, even though that is necessary. But I encourage you to read up on that. Now we'll be taking problems on friction, like I said. We have here that what will be the acceleration of a 50 kg sledge if the tension in the rope pulling it is 200 Newton and the frictional force is 40 Newton. This is actually a JAMB question. So they have the options here. A 5 meter per second, B 4 meter per second square rather, C 4.8 meter per second square, D 2 meter per second square, E 3.2 meter per second square. Now let's look at it and know what exactly the right answer would be. Now, let's say that solution. Let's just see what we are given. Like I always say, given we have a mass here to be 50 kg, 50 kilogram. We have the force to be 200 Newton. We have frictional force to be 40 Newton, and we are asked to find the acceleration. Now, one thing about physics sometimes that it requires some diagrammatic description of the problem so that you can know how to solve it, or rather making solving it easier. Now let's represent this as the body. This is the body. Weight is acting on it, or W. Now this is the force pushing it, and behind the force is a counter force called friction, which is opposing the movement forward. Now summation Fx, which is the total force in the body, pushing the body, is equals to mass times acceleration. Now we have that the force minus frictional force equals to mass times acceleration. The force here given is 200 Newton minus frictional force, which is 40 Newton rather, 40 Newton equals to the mass, which is 50 multiplied by acceleration. Now 200 minus 40 will be 160 equals to 50 multiplied by A. Therefore, acceleration A is equals to 160 divided by 50. And 160 divided by 60 will be nothing but 3.2 meter per second square. As simple as that. Therefore, from our option here, E is the right option. Just as simple as this. Thanks for watching, and watch out for more problem solutions on friction. Bye.